Right, first off, I am sorry about the lighting in here. All I've got at the minute is that LED strip and those wall lights and the LEDs in here. That's basically all I'm working to. But that kind of underpins the point in this video. This is a very quick tutorial for anybody who is doing their own kitchen and is going to be doing their own handles. Regardless of the type of handle that you go for, this method will work for you. You might need to tweak it just a little bit, but it involves almost no measuring, or certainly once you've done the first lot of measuring, that's it, you are done. So we have some wide handles here like this, and then we have some short handles here like this. You need to do the measuring at the outset to work out exactly what size you're doing. Once you've done that, you're good to rinse and repeat. I'll show you what I mean. So this door handle here has been put on and works nicely. Once I had found out what the measurement was for that, I effectively transferred it onto a jig here. This is a perfect 90 degrees, that L shape there. And the reason that I've done that is because these are perfectly square. And so what I did is I worked out my measurements, and I know that on every one of these I'm coming down 5.25 centimeters, and from this point here I'm coming in 5.25 centimeters, and that way it's nice and even. I did the measuring once and I drilled it. I then put this on, slid it, laid it down, slid it up, and then I drilled through this, through the back of here, and then I labeled it 600 draw, 600 draw, like that. So now every time I have a 600 wide draw unit to do, like I've got another one just below here, I don't ever have to measure that again. I simply stick that on, drill through the drawers, holes that are measured 600 draw, and I'm done. And it's as quick as that. Similarly, on these doors here, I worked out my first one. Again, down 5.25, in 5.25, and then down the right amount for the long handle to fit. You then get your story stick, you stick it on, and I've got now cupboard door and cupboard door. Last one here, 900 draw, 900 draw. That fits very nicely onto these big wide ones. Sit that on, 900, 900, ready to go. So on the next one down, which hasn't been done yet, I sit this on and I know that I'm drilling here and here, and I don't have to measure it. It's a very, very effective technique. And given that I have got, I think I calculated 28 handles to do around this kitchen, it's incredibly monotonous, and monotony is the enemy of accuracy. Certainly is in my case. I find that if I'm doing a monotonous task over and over, I get bored very quickly and my concentration lapses. This way I don't really have to concentrate beyond working out whether I'm putting it on the cupboard door, a 600 wide draw, or a 900 wide draw. So I hope you found that helpful. If you did, please do like, comment and subscribe. That's just a quick tip